Hello, I'm Yuri. This video is how to deal with interference. If on one of the questions, is there a connection with the higher self or can I work now, you got an answer no, this means that something is creating interference. It is possible that you got the answer no to the question whether I can work now because a program has been already launched. In this case, it will need to wait. You can also ask how long to wait. In all other cases, we take the chart of the causes and ask who creates the interference. Before this, say, I ask the higher self to clear the channel. You can ask if you have a guardian angel and, if yes, ask an angel to clear the channel. You can still read a prayer, for example, Our Father. We do the same if when checking an answer to a question, we are told there was interference, or if the pendulum has fallen out of your hands, or it's swinging weakly, like something is slowing it down. Who is interfering? It shows aural entities. Is this aural entities? Is this answer from the higher self? Was there any interference? Okay, now you can make a program which eliminates aural entities. I ask the higher self to help me create a program that will work only with me, observing all cosmic laws for the good of all things, with the addition of all the resources necessary for the program to work, radiation, vibration, energy, which eliminates right amount in right place aural entities, which eliminates the consequences of aural entities, which repair damages from aural entities. I ask the higher self to monitor the execution of the program and make correction if a mistake was made. I create and initiate. Sometimes it happens that the pendulum stands still and does not move. In this case, you can wash your hands and the pendulum again. Ask the higher self to clear the channel. This usually helps. Like this video and subscribe to the channel. With your support, YouTube will recommend this video to others. If you have questions, write in the comments, and if you have any successes, also share them. In this way, you will motivate more people to engage in their own development and self-improvement. My best wishes for your health.